Hi guys, welcome to another unboxing video. Today we will unbox Dimoo Dream Travel. This is a blind box. You might get the prince or the cat. Let's start unboxing. By the way, guys, our Christmas giveaway is still ongoing. If you want to get a full set of Labubu, the Monsters Have a Seat edition, I put the link on the description box if you want to join. So we got a Boots, so cute. Here you go, hello Mr. Prince. So you'll also get extra hands if you want to change it. So here's the stand. You can put the extra hands inside. There. And the stand. Let's put his shoes on. There you go, so handsome. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. So there's the Prince cat. Let's open the second box. Hope this is not a duplicate. So we're looking for the cat. Ready? Yay! Glad that it's the cat. Oh my goodness, he is so cute. What a cute cat. There, glad we got the different figures today. Hope you enjoy this unboxing as we do. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next one. Bye!